All right, so you are in benchmark 2, task 2, identifying algebraic property notes. The first thing you need to do is make a copy of this document. So go ahead and open that. And then you'll file, make a copy. I'm not going to make a copy because I already have a copy of this, but you can either put it in your Algebra 1 folder down here, or you can share it with me. Either way, I need to have editing access. So either put it in your shared Algebra 1 folder or share it with me. Either one works. Okay, so once you're here, you need to open Jamboard. So say you're in Bell 5's Jamboard. You're going to find where it starts talking about algebraic properties. So here we go. Perfect. Where it says additive identity, that's where you're starting. So what you're doing is filling in this highlighted blue space. You have to fill in this highlighted blue space. So if you're on the additive identity, it says the sum of 0 and a number is equal to the number. So this blue space, you are putting 0 because that's what the blank is. And then wherever this key is, you need to do something to let me know that you see this and that you know this is important. So you can change the color, you can change the font, you can underline it, whatever it is. I need to know that you see the key because this is important. This is how you're going to identify it when you are looking at equations trying to identify your algebraic properties. Obviously, I have not done this with Bell 5, but there will be an example down here, and then you'll put the example over here in the the most right column. So I'll just give you an example for the additive identity, something like a plus 0 equals a. So then you would type in your notes, a plus 0 equals a, or whatever it is. And then go through with the rest of the examples. It's your responsibility to go through each of these and write or fill in the blank and find your example. Again, you need to tell me that you see the key and that you know it's important. So if it were me, I would go ahead and change the font, change the color, whatever it is that you're doing to every single key right now. The key is what you're going to look for when you're trying to identify these these properties in equations. So I'm just changing that so you don't forget. Change. You get the gist. I'm not going to do the last two. And then the same deal, you're going to go to the slides after this and make sure you're understanding what we're doing for the algebraic properties. I do have a video on this that I will link to the notes. I'll type it right now, actually. Okay, so you'll click on the link that's there with the video workshop.